that your bhabhi would be jealous of you because you're a blogger. You spend a lot of money for buying products for Instagram. Single and ready to mingle. You have a very different life behind the camera. You had an ex-boyfriend which you don't share about. You are the pampered one at your house. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of 23 videos with Mohini, because as I'm turning 23, so I'm uploading 23 videos continuously from 15th September to 7th October, as my birthday is on 30th September. And as you've read by the title, today's video is going to be assumptions about me. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the assumptions about me. So I recently posted this story on my Instagram and you sent in a lot of assumptions. So I will try to answer most of them, and these assumptions are going to be really interesting because I never thought that you guys can think about like on this level about me. So let's get started. So the first assumption I have here is that your bhabhi would be jealous of you because you're a blogger. Guys, literally, like, no, bhabhi is not at all jealous of me. In fact, she supports me every time. Like, she clicks a lot of my pictures, she gives me video ideas, and like, she's always so supportive. And how can she be jealous? Are your siblings jealous of you? No, nah, she's like my sibling. Why would she be jealous of me being a blogger? She loves how I create content, how I put my hard work in it, and she also enjoys all the gifts we get. So I usually open the PR packages in front of her, so she is always excited to see what I'm doing next and what is happening in my life. And jealousy? Not at all. You seem to be married. Are you? A bit personal though. Guys, no, my life is totally out there. How can I be married? See, you seem to be married. Do I look like married? I don't know. No, I'm clearly not married. You are a big foodie. I totally am. Like, totally am. I just love to eat bahar ka khana. I just love to eat basically. Ghar ka, bahar ka. I am a big foodie. Totally 100 points to you. So the next question is, you spend a lot of money for buying products for Instagram. Yes, I do. Like, that's my work, and in any business you invest a little and only then you get the results. So that's what I do. I try to buy the trendiest clothes and like show you how you can style them. So yeah, I do spend a lot of money for that. Not a lot, but yeah, quite some. Single and ready to mingle. Single, yes, and for mingling, no, not for now. I'm not getting married anytime soon. I'm just 22 guys. Ye video bhi 23 videos mein se hai. Main 23 bhi nahi hui hu. So no, not ready to mingle. What is the most embarrassing thing that had happened to you in your life? Your die-hard fan from Chandigarh, and loads of love. Oh, thank you so much. The most embarrassing thing in my life, also guys, I have not thought of the answers. I'm just telling you right now. The most embarrassing thing, I think my confidence never lets me feel embarrassed. I can't remember of anything. No embarrassing thing. Like, कुछ इतना embarrassing हुआ नहीं होगा कि मुझे याद हो. So, sorry. What is the most happiest moment of your life? Lots of love from Chandigarh. Okay. Most happiest moment. I think when I touched 1K on YouTube, because I thought YouTube पे नहीं हो पाएगा, but when I did it on YouTube, I was like so happy that day. I just can't express. So yeah. So the next is, you love documenting, and that is why you do vlogs, so that you can look back and see the memories. Totally correct. Like the other day I was talking to my best friend, and she was also saying that before I started vlogging, also I used to click pictures of everything wherever we're going, not of just me, but clicking pictures and making memories out of it. Like now also, like if I go 5 years back, I have like a lot of things to see. अच्छा मैं 5 साल पहले इस दिन मैं ये कर रही थी. So I like to like keep documenting things and like keep the things so that कि मैं उन्हें बार बार दोबारा से जाके देख सकूँ. Like आज भी जो मैं vlogs कर रही हूँ, you guys are watching it for fun, but for me they are like memories, they are like parts of my life which like later on in years I'll go watch them. अच्छा मैं तब ये करती थी, ये हुआ था, वो हुआ था, like that. So I love documenting. Correct assumption. You have a very different life behind the camera. Everyone does, I think. Like in this industry, everyone does. Like my life is not very different, but I do have a life behind the camera. So yeah. You exercise daily, but you don't share that. Why would I not share that I don't exercise? Like in the quarantine, when the quarantine started, I started to do some exercises and I shared it with you in some vlogs as well. But now I'm not doing any exercise, so there's no point of sharing it with you guys now, right? You had an ex-boyfriend which you don't share about. So I don't have like a ex-boyfriend, but I do have a past about which I'm not very comfortable about sharing it on my social media. So you're partially correct. The next is, you are a spendthrift. I do spend some money, but I'm not a spendthrift. Like I am the most chindi girl you will meet. Not the most, but yeah, like I always shop in sales because I think that's the best time to shop. Like in sales you get the same things at better discounts. So I'm a sale type of a shopping girl. But yeah, I do shop a lot. You have seen so many hauls on my channel, so you know I do spend a lot of money. But yeah, like I told you earlier, that's part of my job also. But I'm like a person who would like buy in sales, so that doesn't really count me as a spendthrift. So I'm not a spendthrift. You are lazy. I am very lazy on some days and I am super active on some days. Like there'll be a day I don't do anything. Like मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगी, बस उठूँगी, खाना खाऊँगी, chill करूँगी, Netflix देखूँगी, YouTube चलाऊँगी, बस. Or there'll be a day I'll be shooting like 4 videos back to back, going out, going in, like editing. एक ही दिन में सब कुछ कर लूँगी. So it just depends on my mood. I am lazy, but sometimes I'm like very lazy, but sometimes. You are a secret keeper. I do keep secrets. Like my secrets, or we're talking about somebody else's secrets? I think she's mentioning here like somebody else's secrets. So yeah, if you share something with me, it'll stay with me. Like 99% it will stay with me, and 1% if it'll go to my best friend only. So I share like my life though, of course, but I share some things with her, but just to know an opinion and everything. But I know उसके पास से कहीं नहीं जाने वाली है. So I keep your secrets, but I tell them to her. So I'm sorry. You're born with a silver spoon. Okay. So I am from a middle class family, we can say a upper middle class family. So I do have what all I need. Like I got my first car when I was 18, so that's a very good thing. And like I almost have everything. Like मुझे जो चीज़ जब चाहिए थी मुझे मिल गई थी. But not like a silver spoon. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आज बोलूँ मुझे ये लेके दो तो वो ले देंगे, नहीं. Brought up very comfortably, किसी चीज़ की कभी कमी नहीं थी. But ऐसा मैं ईशा अंबानी नहीं हूँ. Your fashion sense has evolved a lot. Oh yes. If you like, there's a video, of course, like you have seen that video before this video. So in that video, I'll just link it here. In that video, you can easily see like I'm sharing my journey in that video. It's like how I was and how I am. So I have grown a lot. Like I think काफी credits इसके उसको जाते हैं कि I have done like my 5-year degrees in fashion. So I know a lot more about fashion now than I did before. Like I think like this message is from a person who was in my school. So I think if you compare me from my high school or my school like primary school, so yeah, I have changed a lot. And I suggest you to watch my journey video linked up here, so that you can know more about my journey and what I did and everything like that. You have a lot of friends but have very less best friends. Like best friends तो यार सबके कम होते हैं, right? I do have a lot of friends, but like for me there are like 3 categories. Like the first category is like my group, like my close people. The second is people I know and I gel up with, and thirds are the unknowns. So I gel up very easily with like friends. Like I make friends very easily, but they're not my best friends, of course. Like I do have a lot of friends, but best friends तो 2-3 ही होते हैं यार. You are the pampered one at your house. I totally am, guys. Why would I not be? I'm the youngest one. Like पहले तो 3 लोग ही थे, मम्मा पापा एंड भाई मुझे पैम्पर करने के लिए. And now भाभी is also there. So for me pampering तो मेरे लिए हमेशा ही रहा है. And yeah, that was it for this video. And if you have not seen the previously episodes of like 23 days with Mohini, then go watch them. And yeah, thank you so much, and I think there are a lot more to come. So yeah, and thank you guys for watching and love you guys. Bye. Also, I think आज काफ़ी assumptions दूर हो गई होंगी, but if you have more assumptions, we'll do this again super soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Love you so much.